Hello students, today we will discuss some tricks for calculating the bond order. First we will see trick 1. This trick 1 is applicable for the atoms which are having up to 8 electrons. So the trick here is Baba trick, BABA. B stands for bonding orbital, A stands for anti-bonding orbitals. We all know each orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So totally 8 electrons it can accommodate. Now for calculating any bond order, we have to remember the formula, that is bond order is equals to half into number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So this is the formula for calculating the bond order. Now we'll take some examples. That is, first example is H2. We all know hydrogen atomic number is 1. That means it contains 1 electron. Here 2 hydrogens are there. So totally it contains 2 electrons. Now using this trick, that is Baba. So 2 electrons are there, that 2 can accommodate in bonding orbital only. No more electrons in remaining bonding and anti-bonding. Now use this formula. So if we substitute in the formula, bonding orbital, that is bond order is equals to half into number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital. Here we can see 2 electrons. So 2 minus anti-bonding. No electrons in the anti-bonding. So simply we will write it as 0. So half into 2 minus 0 means 2. So bond order of the hydrogen is 1. Consider one more example, that is Li2. Lithium atomic number is 3. That means 3 electrons are there. 2 lithium molecules are there. So 3 plus 3, that is 6. Use this trick, Baba. So 2 electrons in bonding, 2 in anti-bonding and another 2 in bonding. So totally 6. Now use this formula, bond order is equals to half into number of electrons in bonding, 2 plus 2, 4 minus in anti-bonding we can see 2 are there. So half into 4 minus 2, that is 2. Again the bond order of the lithium is 1. So like that we can calculate the bond order for the atoms which are having up to 8 electrons. Now we will go for trick 2. Trick 2 is also very easy. See how we will calculate the bond order. Okay, so the trick 2 is applicable for the atoms which are having up to 20 electrons. So start writing from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. From 8 to 20, all these are number of electrons. Number of electrons. Now if you see the bond order here is start from 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 and start decreasing order, that is 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, 0.5 and 0. So this is the simple trick. Now we will calculate some examples. Example N2. So if you take N2 molecule, nitrogen atomic number is 7. That means 7 electrons are there. And here 2 nitrogens. So 7 plus 7, 14. And if you see for 14, the bond order is 3. Like that, if you consider O2 molecule. So O2, oxygen atomic number is 8. That means it contains 8 electrons. And here 2 oxygens are there. So 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. For 16, we can see the bond order 2. So like that, we will calculate the bond order up to 20 electrons. So consider one example. This question, arrange the following in the decreasing order of their bond orders. We have to arrange all these examples, that is O2, O2 plus, O2 minus and O2 2 minus in the order of decreasing order. So first we will calculate the bond order. So first molecule O2, already we calculated. For one oxygen 8, so 2 oxygens are there, that is 16. For the second molecule O2 plus, so O2 means 16 and here plus symbol indicates the loss of electrons. 1 plus is there, that means the loss of 1 electron. So 16 minus 1, 15. And consider third molecule O2 minus. So O2 means 16, minus symbol is there, that means gain of electrons, that is 17. And fourth one O2 2 minus, that is 16 plus 2, 18. Now see the bond order. So if you see this bond order, for 16 the bond order is 2 and for 15 the bond order is 2.5 and for 17 the bond order is 1.5 and for 18 the bond order is 1. Now if you see the order, so highest number is O2 plus, that is 2.5, next followed by O2, next O2 minus and finally O2 2 minus. And if you take the order, the highest number is what? O2 plus, greater than, next O2 followed by O2 minus followed by O2 2 minus. So this is the order. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.